Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're making the Aviation cocktail. This cocktail was invented by bartender Hugo Enslin in New York City in the early 1900s. It became quickly known as a bartender's handshake, meaning that only bartenders and people in the mixology in crowd knew about the drink and would order it in bars. Fast forward to today, and it's a pretty well-known drink. So this drink has 4 ingredients. We're going to start with some Creme de Violette. So it's a violet liqueur. It's quite sweet, and it's floral, and it's purple. So we're going to do a ½ ounce of that. This is going to give the drink its signature purple color, as well as sweeten it, since we're not putting any simple syrup. Next up, we're going to use some Luxardo Maraschino liqueur, a ½ ounce as well. Now, if you've seen one of my last videos where we used maraschino, you'll know that this drink it's made from cherries, but it's not sweet. It's not like a cherry syrup. It's surprisingly dry on the finish. Next up, we're going to add some lemon juice that I forgot to put on the table. There it is. So 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. It's going to add some tartness to the drink. And last up, our London Dry Gin. I'm using Bombay Sapphire. So 2 ounces of gin. Into the glass. And that is your ingredients right there. 4 ingredients. We're then going to grab some ice and we're going to give this a shake. We've got citrus in here, so we have to shake it. Put a whole bunch of cubes in there. Don't worry about cracking or anything. Just whatever you got. Number 10, flippy move. And shake away. We want to shake this pretty hard. We want to combine those ingredients. We want to aerate the drink a little bit. Good 10-15 seconds. Alright, we're going to serve this with a chilled coupe glass. I just love the look of a chilled glass on camera. It looks like it's glowing. Okay, unseal. Grab your Hawthorne strainer. There's no need to double strain this one. And we're gonna slowly pour into our coupe. Excellent. For garnish, we're going to peel ourselves a nice big lemon peel. You could also garnish with a Luxardo cherry if you wanted. I tend to just go for the peel, but we're going to make the peel a little fancier. This is kind of a sophisticated drink, so we want to make a fancy lemon peel. So using a sharp knife, we're just going to clean the edges, and then we're going to, on an angle, cut either ends off, just like that. Take that cutting board away. Alright, so with our nice fancy peel, we're going to squeeze it, express some of those oils on top of the drink, and then we want to twist it and pull. So you twist and pull, and it'll kind of hold its shape, hold that twist shape. And there you have it. That is your Aviation cocktail. So let's taste it. So right up front, the Creme de Violette adds a nice little bit of sweetness to the drink. Some floral notes, obviously. It's made from flowers. For me, the maraschino is really front and center. Its signature brightness and dryness, it's like it cleanses your palate as you drink it. You get some tartness from the lemon, and of course all the lovely botanicals from the gin. It's just a really good drink. I love this drink, but it's definitely not for everyone, especially if you prefer sweeter drinks. This one is on the drier side for sure. But if you can track down a bottle of Creme de Violette, that's probably the hardest ingredient to get. I encourage you to try this one. It's a great drink. And that is it for the video, guys. Odin is enjoying his bonbon toy, which literally lasted him 4 minutes before he ripped it to shreds and I had to throw it away. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Leave a like, please. We will see you next time. Cheers.